Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you good and doing fantastic in your life. So, my name is Samen Roy and today we are going to learn how we can be fluent in English, how we can learn this language. So, guys, if you want to be fluent in English, if you want to learn this language, you don't need to follow the grammar. You you don't need to follow all those you know grammar rules, because grammar is a subject and English is a language. Therefore, if you want to be fluent in English, you just need to have a strong mindset and a strong belief that you can do. It's enough for you if you want to be fluent in English. If you have a strong mindset, if you have a strong belief system, that's enough for you. You can learn anything. So if you see me, I am not a perfect speaker. I am not a excellent speaker. I am doing mistakes right now because it's a process. If you do mistake, you will get better. You will get you know fluency. If you do mistake, then only you can be perfect in English.